Hi children, good afternoon. Today I want to explain you about place values.
$954.
So how we have to find out the place value of 954. 4 in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place. So to find out the place value of 9, the digit which is underlined, that we have to find out the place value. So 9 is in hundreds place is equal to 900. And the second one also I want to explain you. The example 7542. 7542. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఇలా ఉంది కదా, 5 అండర్లైన్ అండ్ 2 ఆల్సో ఇస్ అండర్లైన్. సో ఎలా కనిపెట్టుకోవాలంటే, ఇప్పుడు 2 వన్స్ ప్లేస్, 4 టెన్స్ ప్లేస్, 5 హండ్రెడ్స్, 7,000. So again you write down same digits. The numbers which are underlined, those we have to write in their place values. Now see, 2 a place lo undi ones, 4 tens, 5 hundreds, 7,000s lo undi. So 5 is equal to 5 a place lo undi, hundreds place lo undi, 500. 2 a place lo undi, ones place, so 2. Thank you children.